Military exercises are like big, important games. They are where soldiers from different countries practice working together. They train hard to be ready for anything. Talisman Saber is one of these exercises. It happens every 2 years. Australia and the United States are partners in this exercise. Talisman Saber is a massive show of force. It involves thousands of soldiers, sailors, and airmen. They practice fighting on land, at sea, and in the air. The goal is to become stronger and smarter as a team. During Talisman Saber, one weapon stands out for its power and precision: the M777 howitzer. The M777 is a powerful piece of artillery. It's like a giant cannon that can shoot really far. It's used to support troops on the ground. The M777 plays a vital role in making sure everyone stays safe. In the next section, we'll learn more about this impressive weapon. Talisman Saber and the M777 show the world that Australia and the US are ready to defend their interests. They are ready to work together to keep the peace. The M777 howitzer is a big gun, but it's also a relatively light one. It can be moved by helicopter, which is important in a fast-moving battle. The M777 is made of titanium, a very strong and light metal. This makes it easy to transport and deploy. This gun packs a serious punch. It can hit targets up to 40 kilometers away. That's like shooting from one city to another. The M777 fires a variety of rounds. Some explode in the air, raining down fire. Others destroy enemy vehicles with pinpoint accuracy. Having a weapon like this gives soldiers a big advantage. They can hit targets from far away, staying out of harm's way. It's a game changer on the battlefield. In the heat of battle, the M777 is a dependable ally. The M777 is a powerful tool, but it takes skilled soldiers to operate it effectively. They need to know how to aim it, load it, and fire it. In the next section, we will see how these soldiers train to use the M777. Before firing the M777, soldiers have a lot of work to do. This preparation is crucial for the success of their mission. This is not as simple as pointing and shooting. It involves a series of coordinated steps. It requires careful planning and teamwork. Each member must know their role and execute it flawlessly. First, the gun must be moved into position. This is often a challenging task. This can involve driving it on rough terrain or even airlifting it with a helicopter. The terrain and conditions can vary greatly. Once in position, the crew works together to set up the gun. This involves several steps to ensure stability. They level it and secure it to the ground. This is essential for accurate firing. Accuracy is crucial, so they use special tools to make sure everything is perfect. These tools help in fine-tuning the setup. Every member of the crew has a specific job. These tasks are assigned based on their training and expertise. Each job is important to ensure the gun is ready to fire. Coordination and communication are key. One soldier acts as the gunner. This role requires precision and a steady hand. They use a special sight to aim the gun. This sight must be calibrated correctly. Another soldier calculates the angle and direction to fire. This calculation is based on various factors. They use computers and maps to make sure the round hits its target. Technology plays a crucial role in this process. This is a high-pressure job that requires focus and precision. Any mistake can have serious consequences. Preparing the M777 for firing is a complex process. It involves multiple steps and checks. It demands attention to detail and seamless teamwork. Every detail matters in this operation. It highlights the professionalism and dedication of the soldiers who operate this powerful weapon. Their training and discipline are evident. They know that lives depend on their ability to do their jobs right. The stakes are high and they are prepared to meet the challenge. Hitting a target miles away is no easy feat. It requires more than just pointing the M777 in the right direction. Wind, distance, even the Earth's rotation can affect the trajectory of the shell. That's where the forward observer comes in. Their job is crucial. The forward observer, or FO, is like the eyes of the artillery. They are positioned close to the target, sometimes even behind enemy lines. Using high-tech equipment, the FO identifies enemy locations and calls in the strikes. They relay precise coordinates to the gun crew. Communication is key. The FO and the gun crew communicate constantly. They make sure everyone is on the same page. Any miscommunication could be disastrous. The lives of their fellow soldiers depend on it. The pressure is immense. Thanks to the FO's skill and the gun crew's precision, the M777 can deliver devastating blows to enemy targets. They provide crucial support to troops on the ground, often making the difference between victory and defeat. This is the true power of the M777. Section 5. Boom! The M777 unleashed. The ground shakes. A deafening roar rips through the air. Smoke and fire erupt from the M777's barrel as it unleashes its powerful payload. The shell hurtles through the sky, a fiery arc against the blue. This is the moment of truth, the culmination of hours of preparation and training. The sound of the M777 firing is awe-inspiring and terrifying at the same time. It's a reminder of the immense power at the soldiers' disposal, but they never forget that this power comes with a heavy responsibility. They use it wisely and strategically. The shell travels at incredible speed, covering miles in seconds. It's a marvel of modern engineering, guided by sophisticated technology and the expertise of the soldiers who operate it. Every round fired has a purpose, a target that needs to be neutralized. The impact is devastating. Whether it's a high-explosive round or a precision-guided munition, the M777 delivers a blow that can cripple enemy defenses, disrupt their movements, and protect friendly forces. It's a game-changer on the battlefield. Section 6. Eyes in the sky, guiding the artillery. In modern warfare, information is just as important as firepower. Knowing where the enemy is and what they are doing is crucial for success. That's where drones come in. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are like extra eyes in the sky. Drones provide the artillery with real-time intelligence. They can see what's happening on the battlefield from above, relaying images and video back to the command center. This gives commanders a clear picture of the situation and helps them make informed decisions. Using this information, they can direct the M777 to fire on targets with incredible accuracy. They can even track moving targets, making sure the artillery stays one step ahead of the enemy. Drones have revolutionized the way artillery is used in combat. The M777 and drones work together seamlessly. They form a deadly combination that gives friendly forces a significant advantage. The M777 provides the firepower, while the drones provide the intelligence to use that firepower effectively. Section 7. Working together. The importance of teamwork. Operating an M777 howitzer is not a one-man job. It requires the collective effort of a dedicated team. It requires a highly trained crew working together seamlessly, each member bringing their expertise to the table. Each member has a specific role to play, and they rely on each other to get the job done right. Teamwork is essential for success. The gun crew is like a well-oiled machine, where every part must function perfectly. They communicate constantly, using hand signals and verbal commands to ensure clarity and precision. Every movement is precise and coordinated, a testament to their rigorous training. They know that lives depend on their ability to work together efficiently and effectively, especially under pressure. There's a strong sense of camaraderie among these soldiers, built through shared experiences and mutual respect. They train together, eat together, and rely on each other for support, forming bonds that are unbreakable. They know that they are all part of something bigger than themselves, and they are united in their mission to protect their country and their fellow soldiers. This teamwork extends beyond the gun crew, encompassing the entire military structure. They also work closely with other units, such as infantry, armor, and air support, creating a cohesive force. They communicate and coordinate their actions to achieve a common objective, ensuring mission success. It's this seamless integration of different military branches that makes modern militaries so effective, showcasing the true power of teamwork. Section 8. Always learning, training for the unexpected. Military training is not just about learning how to use weapons and follow orders. It's a comprehensive process that involves mental, physical, and emotional preparation. It's about preparing for the unexpected, for the chaos and uncertainty of combat. Soldiers must be ready to face any situation, no matter how unpredictable. Soldiers need to be able to think on their feet, adapt to changing situations, and make split-second decisions. This requires a high level of mental agility and resilience. That's why exercises like Talisman Saber are so important. They simulate real-world scenarios, providing invaluable experience. They provide a realistic training environment where soldiers can practice their skills, test their equipment, and learn to work together under pressure. This collaboration is crucial for mission success. They face simulated enemy attacks, deal with logistical challenges, and overcome obstacles. These scenarios test their limits and build their confidence. During these exercises, things don't always go according to plan. This unpredictability is intentional and beneficial, and that's a good thing. It forces soldiers to think outside the box, to come up with creative solutions to unexpected problems. This creativity can be a lifesaver in real combat. It forces soldiers to think outside the box, to come up with creative solutions to unexpected problems. This creativity can be a lifesaver in real combat. It helps them develop the critical thinking skills they need to survive on the battlefield. These skills are honed through continuous practice and reflection. Training is an ongoing process, it never truly ends. Soldiers are constantly learning, evolving, and adapting. They must stay ahead of new threats and technologies. They learn from their mistakes, they share their knowledge with others, and they strive to become the best they can be. This culture of continuous improvement is vital. This dedication to constant improvement is what makes them such a formidable force. Their discipline and commitment are unmatched.